Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 keyboard input lag problem. First method is turn off filter keys. Second method is update keyboard driver. Third method is reinstall keyboard driver. Fourth method is change keyboard properties. Fifth method is type system configuration in Windows search bar, click system configuration. Check keyboard if any problem. Sixth method is keyboard troubleshooting. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.